Welcome to 42 Bradbury Crescent, a beautiful 4+3 bedroom home with 4 washrooms situated within a quiet enclave of Northwest Ajax's highly sought after and family-minded Nottingham community. Featuring a brick exterior, a double-car garage, and a stone walkway to its covered front entrance, the glass-paneled front door opens into a tiled foyer and a warm and inviting main level with a wonderful open-concept layout, as well as generously sized entertaining spaces, beginning with its formal living room. Filled with natural light through 2 accent windows, plus an oversized north-facing window with a window seat, the living room is separated from the foyer by a half wall and features hardwood flooring and pot lighting. Hardwood flooring is also showcased throughout the dining and family room areas, and pot lighting additionally brightens the remainder of this level. A very spacious and open area, the dining room is beautifully suited for either intimate or large-scale entertaining, has the modern elegance of a linear light fixture, as well as the classic elegance of French doors opening to the adjacent entertaining space of the family room, which has the ambient brightness of a crystal and metal light fixture, the warmth of a gas fireplace further enhancing its welcoming ambiance, as well as 2 south-facing windows allowing for views of the backyard, which is fenced, has a large stone patio for outdoor entertaining, and gated entrances on both the east and west sides of the home. The kitchen and its breakfast area have been beautifully updated, and showcase an island with seating and storage that also serves as a breakfast table. Stainless steel appliances including a built-in microwave, wall oven, and dishwasher, a 2-door French door fridge, as well as a gas cooktop and range hood, a stainless steel double undermount sink, quartz counters and backsplashes, as well as light-colored cabinetry with a wood grain-like veneer finish, glass-paneled accent doors, upper moldings, and LED under-cabinet lighting. Ceramic tiles finish the floor in these spaces, and both the kitchen window and the sliding door walkout to the backyard are complete with California shutters. Off the main level's reception area is a coat closet, as well as a powder room, where an alcove with a display ledge at its entrance brings added privacy to this space. The staircase to the upper level has a timeless light and dark colored finish, with this level showcasing hardwood flooring throughout, a skylight above the stairs, upgraded lighting in the hallway, 4 spacious bedrooms, and 2 washrooms. The 4th bedroom, which is quite exceptional in its size, features wall-to-wall closet storage with triple sliding doors, the linen closet is just outside the main 5-piece washroom, which has ceramics finishing the floor and bath area, as well as a vanity with a stone counter and undermount basins. And both the 2nd and 3rd bedrooms have large double closets. These 2 bedrooms, and the 4th bedroom as well, can accommodate sitting or study areas, and all 3 have large north-facing windows for soft natural lighting. The very generously sized master suite has large windows on its south wall that fill this lovely retreat with abundant natural light, with this room having ample space for a sitting area as well as a spacious walk-in closet. Its ensuite washroom has a relaxing spa-like aura and showcases ceramic finishes throughout, a jetted tub with corner windows above it, a glass shower area, as well as a vanity with a stone counter and undermount basins. Just off the kitchen area is a sunken ceramic tiled landing, where a combined laundry and mudroom features a front-load washer and dryer, access to the double-car garage, and the stairs to the fully developed lower level. The lower landing has a wall display niche, storage under the staircase, and a bonus room with a large double closet. This space also having an oversized basement window, as well as having updated wide plank vinyl flooring and pot lighting. These three features also seen in the remainder of this level, which is a self-contained two-bedroom apartment with a separate walk-up entrance. This unit showcases a kitchen with updated cabinetry, backsplash, and stone counters, and which also includes a stainless steel fridge, oven, dishwasher, and double undermount sink. The unit comes with a stacked front-load washer and dryer, has a three-piece washroom with a tiled floor, an acrylic shower with rounded enclosure, and a Euro vanity. And both bedrooms have double closets, with the second bedroom finished with laminate flooring. A short walk to walking trails, green spaces, public transit, and schools including Nottingham Public, St. Andre Bessette Catholic Elementary, Notre Dame Catholic Secondary, and J. Clark Richardson Collegiate Institute, as well as being close to the Nottingham Market and Rosslyn Landing shopping malls for everyday conveniences. This home is minutes to the restaurants and boutique shops within historic Pickering Village, and enjoys proximity to many of Ajax's exceptional amenities, such as indoor and outdoor sports and fitness facilities, recreational and community centers, the Durham Centre Shopping Mall, Lakeridge Health Ajax Pickering Hospital, the GO Station, as well as quick access to Highway 401, and Ajax's beautiful waterfront park with its over 7 kilometers of trails along Lake Ontario is also a short drive away. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.